In this video, I'm going to show you how to install and use Stremio on your FireStick or Android TV for an easy and versatile streaming experience. Let's get started. First, turn on your FireStick or Android TV and navigate to the home screen. If you're using a FireStick, go to the search option and type Downloader to install the app if you don't already have it. Once installed, open the Downloader app and enter the official Stremio website URL, strem.io, in the search bar to download the Stremio APK file. For Android TV users, you can directly download Stremio from the Google Play Store by searching for it and clicking Install. After installation, open Stremio and create a free account or log in if you already have one. Once logged in, you'll see a clean interface with options like movies, TV shows, and add-ons. You can browse content, import your own media files, or connect external add-ons for more streaming options. To enhance your experience, go to the Add-ons section and enable popular catalogs like 123 Movies or Solar Movie for additional content. Stremio also allows you to organize your watch list and resume playback seamlessly. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and enjoy exploring Stremio on your FireStick or Android TV. Don't forget to share this video with others who might find it helpful.